Two will not pay. I don't know who won't yet, maybe one or two. And it's going to be worth it for me. And you start expanding it even more, maybe 100 or 200, 300 liens there. That's just Arizona. Maybe you do a different state or whatever. Okay, or you do California. California's the deed option. So then we have to do a little different story because you're going to own the property now. Completely different. You got to really do some more homework. Check with the county, check with the cities, see what other type of violations they may have on it. Pull a title search just to see what they have. Okay? All those factors there are completely different. That's the joint venture with me. I told you the joint venture, the other joint venture is for the group. You're part of the team. It's a community. Okay? On the joint venture. Then every Tuesday night, you're invited to these Zoom classes. Okay? Then you are going to get 3 months free. So our membership is $59 a month. That's our membership.